if you're experiencing the Roblox installation loop error 2026. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue step by step. Follow these instructions carefully to get back to playing Roblox. Step 1. Restart your computer. Before making any changes, restart your computer. This simple step can often resolve temporary issues that may be causing the installation loop. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can lead to installation issues. Try resetting your router if necessary. Step 3. Disable antivirus and firewall. Temporarily disable any antivirus software or firewall settings that may be blocking Roblox from installing correctly. Remember to re-enable them after the installation is complete. Step 4. Clear temporary files. Open the Run dialog by pressing Windows +R, type %temp% and hit Enter. Delete all files in the temp folder. This can help remove any corrupted files that might be causing the installation loop. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox. Uninstall Roblox from your computer through the control panel. After uninstalling, visit the official Roblox website and download the latest version of the installer. Run the installer and follow the prompts to complete the installation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the installation loop error 2026 and enjoy playing Roblox again. If the problem persists, consider seeking further assistance from Roblox support.